Hi, my name is Rajul Jain. I'm an assistant professor of public relations in the College of Communication. So this course is one of our special topics course that's an elective, upper level, undergraduate elective. It's Pratt 384, International Public Relations. And the overall goals of the course is to introduce students to the different contexts, national, cultural, political, economic, social context in which public relations is practiced in the different parts of the world. So I've been teaching this class for the past 4 years, but I've only started offering it online quite recently. So the idea behind offering the online class was to offer students a more inclusive environment where they can not only learn from the content that is being taught, but also from each other by interacting on a virtual platform. And the idea is in the real world, when you're working on international projects or international clients, you're often communicating virtually. So why not learn that pattern of communication at school so you will be able to translate that in the workplace? So the first feature that I introduced in this class is I ask them to pair up in teams and interview international public relations practitioner. The principle behind this particular assignment is not only do students learn by the interview skills and how to conduct interviews in a virtual setting, because most of these practitioners are abroad, but also learn the practical aspects of the readings. So the idea is you do your reading and then you go into the field, you conduct these interviews, so you apply that reading in the real setting. After you do that interview, you record the file to share it with the class. It's posted weekly for students for everybody in the class to review and then reflect, coupled with a VoiceThread assignment where I give them specific prompts related to the interview and the readings. And each student records their comments, up to 60 seconds of it, responding to those prompts. So this way, each team gets to share their experience with the professional and share it with the class, and then everybody reflects on that student-generated content. So that was one feature that I introduced in the class. Another thing that they do is in teams, they develop a PechaKucha case analysis presentation where they're working on an actual case study for an organization in an international setting. Now they can narrate the slides in a PowerPoint, or they can do it on a VoiceThread, and they post it for the class to review. And then I couple that with a discussion board where everybody reviews and reflects on the PechaKucha presentations and provides their feedback to the team, and also applies what they have learned in the class to critically analyze the case and how the organization did in that particular setting. So those are two main features that I have incorporated for student-generated content. So some things that I feel are very important in an online environment is for students to feel that you are an active participant in the class rather than just a facilitator or an observer. So use strategies that make students feel your presence in the class.